Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Trumpeter's Thursday. Let's go with that. Yesterday, man, I had a busy day yesterday. I really did. Of course, started off with my daily message, like always. And dinner last night was basically two big separate dishes put together as one. I know. First, I put together a Mediterranean pasta salad. A lot of goodies went into that, including the za'atar spice blend that I put together. Then, in the evening time, I prepared Cajun shrimp with bell pepper and corn. Oh, both are really good. The Cajun dish, I used my Cajun seasoning blend. So, yeah, it was funny yesterday because when I was putting the za'atar blend together, I got some new spice jars, through so forth, blah, blah, blah. And I took off the lid, and you probably can't read this, but it actually says sealed for freshness. So the jar was sealed with just air in it. Good times. Hey, sealed for your protection. If you're my age, you know what that means. So today, kicking it down a couple notches, something super simple. I am doing Mongolian chicken, not beef, chicken. All right, let's go take a look. Got the hardware going. It's another wok day. Got some rice already measured out. Chicken thighs. Some olive oil. Kosher salt. Black pepper. Soy sauce. Low sodium style. Sesame oil. Ginger paste. Garlic. Brown sugar. And green onions. And cornstarch or corn flour, as they say in the UK. All this yumminess for Mongolian chicken, and again, over long grain white rice. I also did yesterday, in the afternoon, after I took a little bit of a break from making the pasta salad, I did some taste testing video for the Butte Sauce Company. Here's one bottle right here. They're all really good. I just did it over corn chips. I mean, they all have heat, but not a lot of heat. If you like spicy, check these guys out. There's Verdelicious, Hot Tropic, and Sweet Carolina. So, on this Trumpeter's Thursday, have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.